Okay. Hello, English 90. It's Miss Brown. I'm your teacher, and we have some things that I want to talk about today. So, there's no class on Monday, January 19th. It's MLK Day, so the campus will be closed. The syllabus, I put the revised syllabus on Canvas. I also made copies of the syllabus, but I forgot to give it to you guys. It was in my bag. So remind me to give you the printed copy of the syllabus, the revised, okay? You also have a syllabus that I gave you, the one that I gave you on the first day of class, that has my email address on it and everything. So if you need to email me, contact me. If you have any questions about the homework, the outline that's due on Wednesday, January 21st, that you're going to upload to Canvas, then email me, okay? Now, what did we do? We read Miss Dennis' School of Writing by Alice Steinbach and Why I Write by Terry Tempest Williams. And we discussed writing, what writing means, why we write, our experiences with writing. And we also wrote a diagnostic essay. And I want to say congratulations. Yay! Here it is, guys. Right? On the second day of school, you wrote an essay. Yay! Okay? So that's good. I'm going to read those. I'm going to make comments on them. Okay? But I'm not grading them. All right? So I'm not going to deduct points from you. I'm just going to read them and comment. Okay? Because it's the diagnostic. And we have 2 more groups to meet. 2 groups. So on Wednesday, when we come into class, I'm going to take roll. And those 2 groups, you guys rock, paper, scissors, and decide who's going to go first, and then we'll meet you, and that'll be good. And somebody asked me about, because on Canvas, I wrote that if there was a quotation, I would choose one by the Dalai Lama, and it was about learning. And they asked me, what does that mean that learning is the first step to happiness, okay? Well, I have something quick for you. First, this is the Declaration of Independence and the Constitution of the United States of America. Now, in the second paragraph of the Declaration of Independence, right, our founding forefathers, they wrote a Declaration of Independence from Britain. And this is what they wrote. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal, that they are endowed by their Creator with certain unalienable rights, that among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. That it's your right by your Creator to be happy, right? So this is one of my favorite books, The Art of Happiness by Howard C. Cutler and His Holiness the Dalai Lama. And I have some quotations that I want to read to you from this text. Okay? On page 38, that's where I took my quotation, the Dalai Lama states that the first step in seeking happiness is learning, right? So what does he mean about learning? All right? So then I'm thinking, okay, let me have some more expression here. He also says that on page 20, that happiness is determined more by one's state of mind than by external factors. Okay? So it doesn't matter, right? He says there are 4 factors for happiness. And this is on page 24 to 25. And they're wealth, worldly satisfaction, spirituality, and enlightenment. Together, they embrace the totality of an individual's quest for happiness. So you can have all the money in the world and all this outer stuff and still not be happy. That it's a state of mind, okay? So, for example, the Dalai Lama says, good health is considered to be one of the necessary factors for a happy life. Another factor we regard as a source of happiness is our material facilities or the wealth that we accumulate. And additional factors is to have friendship or companions. We all recognize that in order to enjoy a fulfilled life, we need a circle of friends with whom we can relate emotionally and trust, right? Now, all of these are factors, are sources of happiness, but in order for an individual to be able to fully utilize them towards the goal of enjoying a happy and fulfilled life, your state of mind is key, is crucial, right? So how do you get to a state of mind, right? And he says that if you can maintain a calm, peaceful state of mind, then you can be a very happy person, even if you have poor health, even if you don't have wealth, right? So it's a state of mind, a calmness of mind, and to get there, you have to train your mind, and you have to learn. So that's why I put that learning is the first step to happiness. And we are going through a training, right? In English 90, we're improving our writing. So that's all I want to say to you guys. Have a great weekend. Remember, homework is to be uploaded onto Canvas by 4 p.m. on January 21st. And be ready to go over the reading and Rules for Writers, pages 2 to 50. Have a great day.